Today, I am going to discuss on the Taurus moon sign as per the Indian traditional astrology or Vedic astrology. Taurus is the second sign of the zodiac, southern side, and that indicates the face of the Kalpurush. As also finance, property, relatives, Taurus is the first sign of the earthy triplicity. The other two are Virgo and Capricorn. It is fixed, feminine, and negative house of Venus. It is the exalted as also Mulatrikon house of Moon. It is retentive, preservative, persistent, determined, practical, cautious, and possessive. As also dogmatic, obstinate, self willed, and does not prefer changes. But it is affectionate and placid on the whole, unless provoked. It may tend to luxury and art in any form, and at the same time, selfishness to some extent. It demands patience, prudence, and toil for success. Overeating tendency should be avoided. The first decanate is of the nature of Taurus fully. In the second decanate, influence of Virgo acts, and in the third decanate, influence of Capricorn comes. Although Taurus nature prevails over the entire sign, its color is full white or like silver. Taurus people may be corpulent, generally thick and well set, broad or good looking forehead, beautiful eyes, sometimes dimpled face. Mouth may be wide and hands are generally long. Good influence on sign makes it favorable for matters pertaining to the finance, property, beauty, relations, etc. If afflicted, it may be lazy, selfish, obstinate. It may listen to others but hardly agrees, and it may affect the second house matters. In case of disease, we may say disease relating to the face, eyes, ear, nose, and throat troubles, diphtheria, cough, and cold. Pains due to the nerves, generally those relating to the shoulders, are and apoplexy. For apoplexy, Jupiter should also be considered. As I already told, the stature of the person born in this sign will be short and often corpulent. Lip thick, complexion swarthy, square face, well shaped lips, and dark hair are the prominent features. Women generally very beautiful and handsome. They are generally resemble the bull in their behavior towards the new people if they are not listened to the properly. They will have their own principles and ways and a piercing intellect. They shine well as authors or journalists. They are not bound by the sentimentality but appreciate the truth. They are remarkable for their ability to commit to memory. Their physical and mental endurance are indeed noteworthy. They have a much business knack and surpassing intuitions. They often think they are born to exercise authority over others, and in a sense, they are right. They are sensitive to physical influences. They are often liable to extremes, jealous, and easily accessible to the adulteration. They generally suffer from nervous complaints after their 50th year, but their memory and power of imagination will never deceive them. They are slow to anger, but when provoked, furious like the bull. They are passionate, and many become the prey to the sexual disease in their old age. The Taurus born is essentially a lover of ease and the personal comfort. He has a broad, full face, eyes, and shows a weakness for the drink sometime. He is always the beloved of their fair sex and generally has a number of female children. He is passionate and a lover of art. Apart from that, the Taurus is a sign, as already told, the Taurus is a sign of determination, stubbornness, and the steadiness. Taurus natives' greatest strength lies in their tenacity and relentless drive to accomplish their goals. They are practical at heart and constantly strive to master their earthly and material surroundings. A key element in the Taurus native personality is the need for the security, both emotional and material. They are most comfortable dealing with the familiar and have a great doubt of anxiety and uneasiness about changes rather than resist it though. Taurus native take a wait and watch approach before developing a level of comfort with new situations. They must be sure that a new person, situations, or relationship will be beneficial to them before embracing them. Once convinced, though, Taurus native will develop a lifelong loyalty and commitment that is unmatched by that of other signs. This makes them intensely jealous and stories abound about the temper of a cross Taurus. Taurus native are also very fond of the material and earthly pleasure, as I already told. They are happiest at home, surrounded by the security and comforts of their passions. Their sensuous nature leads them to live a good life. They often seek the finest clothing, art, and the foods, and have a fine appreciation for beauty and aesthetics. Beneath the stubborn exterior lies a gentler and softer side. Taurus natives tend to be very sentimental and passionate and believe in pampering their partners. Deep inside, unseen to others, they are the hopeless romantics. That we can say all about the Taurus people in very short. Hope you like this video, and I would request to get more such type of spirituality related or astrology related video. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, please share it with your surroundings, your friends, and do press the like button also. Thank you so much.